Hey, what it do, y'all? It's your boy Chris, Ghost SS1LE. Yeah, so today the project we are going to do is we're going to install this Wicker build spoiler on the back of the Camaro. It seems to be pretty simple enough. I think it's like 7 holes you got to drill, and then put the nutserts in, and then you know, just tighten and put both pieces on. The biggest thing is going to be measuring and making sure, you know, everything's even. So definitely gonna get into this, and then if this is the first time to the channel, definitely please do like, subscribe, comment. Man, let's go ahead and get these subs up, trying to get to this 1K mark. It's definitely before the summer's over with, and man, ready to do some big things for the channel. So let's get to it. All right, so this is my tool list of what I'm going to use to put everything on. I probably don't need everything that I do have here, but I bought a lot of extra stuff just in case. But got the drill, got the marker, got the masking tape, a few different drill bits, some step drill bits. You got a level. Of course, you definitely got to have the rivet nutsert. And then I got a straight edge. These are the nutserts and the bolts to bolt everything to the spoiler. This is the clear bladed part, and then this is the black gloss black bladed part. So got everything laid out, and finna go in and start taping off and measuring everything, and let's see, you know, how to set everything up. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so look, I know I was supposed to give y'all step-by-step instructions on how I did everything with this Wicker build spoiler from ZL1 Addons, but I ain't gonna lie, it was stressful as hell. You know what I'm saying? Like trying to line everything up, get everything level, and then, you know, get the bolt holes and everything in. There was a lot of little hiccups on it. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I feel as though they should, for one, I didn't get any instructions on how to properly really install it. I did watch some videos online, and I kind of mirrored what some other people did. But for one, they should give you instructions. Two, they should actually just give you a template that you just be able to tape on your car, or it just sticks to it, and then you know the exact measurement up and down on your spoiler so you could drill the right holes. So it took a while to try to get the right measurement in and drill the holes right so everything can align. And then secondly, also they should also include a lot more rivet set nutserts or whatever in there, because they just give you 7, and that's the 7 that you need. And for whatever reason, a couple of these nutserts just kind of acted funny, because these are aluminum. They're not like the normal nutserts that you'll get in a kit when you buy them, but they're a little bit more stronger metal. These are really soft aluminum. So that right there on top, that's just the thing that as far as quality can go, they definitely should up that. I mean, because this spoiler is not that cheap, but it is cheap at the same time. So I guess in a way you kind of get what you pay for. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, and you know, it looks good. So we got everything right and everything tightened down and cinched down. So I am happy with the look. Just the way that you install this is definitely not the easiest in the world to try to make sure it's even from side to side and up and down, you know what I'm saying, and make sure it's level, you know, because you can easily tilt it and it be off a little bit. But anyways, so here we go. And it definitely adds a really nice flare to the back of the car. I did upgrade the nuts on it so you can see, you know, because you can get the plain ones, like just like I think like Phillips head screws, but I thought these were better. Of course, you got the black blade, and then you have the clear that goes in the middle, and it kind of goes up just a little bit off the edge. And you can just see how it kind of sits off the top of the spoiler, the factory spoiler. I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned and wiped off because there's a lot of fingerprints and everything. Just trying to get the final adjustment, but it's on there. I'm happy with it. Add a little extra style to the back of the car, and definitely, if y'all do want to get one, I do suggest y'all order it and whatnot. But definitely, I will go into their comment section and definitely suggest it, because like, man, that's something they definitely should offer their customers, because I know it can't be that hard to make a paper template just to send in the package with you with better instructions, and well, some instructions at all, because it didn't come with any. But anyway, it's your boy Chris, Ghost SS1LE. We out of here. Peace.